They advance to the finals.
Oo.
And they'll face Benilde. San Pedro is trying to force an extension. A free-for-all in set number 5.
Oh, and again, ito sa set number 4 natin, ano, fresh legs. Ito
Yeah.
players ng Letran. Sari, Makilang, Isar,
That's true.
Padilla. Nakapagpahinga sila dun sa halos kalahati ng set number 3.
And for San Beda, Castillo continues to be on the court for the Lady Red Spiker. She was, like Prince mentioned, one of the catalysts of that San Beda attack in set 3. Vanessa Sari starts us off with an emphatic kill.
Buong buo itong atake na ibinigay sa atin ni Vanessa Sari, ano? Kumbaga, full of conviction.
That is Sari's 10th point of the match. Heavy swing by Vanet. Here's Isar. Wide on the serve. So that's exactly, of course, what they didn't want, especially after committing 11 errors in set number 3. They don't want to give freebies to San Beda and allow them to gain some confidence. Estrelier. Sari again this time. Blockers were established. D-ball for Judiel. Bachar swings away.
Kanina pa nila hinahanap yung ganyang klaseng atake ni Bachar, ano? Noong sa set number 3 natin, may mga glimpse na pinakita sa atin ng San Beda ng mga ganyang klaseng offense. Kaya medyo nakipagtapatan sila ng offense in terms of set number 3.
12 puntos na para kay Janel Bachar. Gracie Hiponia. Palang. Buhay pa to. Santa Cruz. Estrelier to Vanet. Sent back. Makilang keeps it in play. Papunta kay Nitura. Here comes San Beda. Bachar. Oh, pancake save by Silva. Hiponia. Angel. Silva was there again. Sari. Hiponia to Navarro. Vanet. Long rally. Bachar. Oh, dive by Estrelier. Here comes Sari. Popped up. Adlib by Habakon. Judiel. Bounced off the net. But still in play. Bachar. Too strong.
Nakakapagod yon. Pero dun sa rally na yon, ilang bola ang kinuha ni Silva?
Yeah. Look at this.
I mean,
Mega effort from Laramie.
one of the best liberos.
The
Diba?
best libero
The
that
best
we have.
libero
Yeah.
that we have.
No wonder. 2 straight years already. Might be a 3rd year in a row for Laramie.
Oo. Alam mo yung experience na baka dito mahulog yung bola, yung alam niya kung saan pupunta. So nandun siya.
O, kita mo yung reaction na yun kay Bachar. It was a quick reaction by Laramie. Habakon. Bachar will try again. This time, she finds an open spot.
Yeah, and that's the specialty. Ito si Bachar, yung spot na yan. Yan ang isa sa mga sweet spots para dito kay Bachar.
This Janel Bachar slicing through that Letran defense.
Pero very nonchalant itong si Bachar, yung mga kahit gaano kabigat yung atake na binibigay niya, yung puntos na nakukuha niya. Makikita mo lang siya na relax lang.
Joe Panangin is back in the fray. Kinaliwa ni Vanessa Sari. 3-on. Quick execution. Para sa Letran Lady Knights.
Hirap yun.
Oh, showing us that she is ambidextrous.
Oo, left and right.
Table tayo. Hiponia to Castillo. They go back to China. Off speed. He scores. She has really made an impact in this match.
Oh, imagine mo meron kang Nitura at saka Isar na blocker. kailangan gamitin mo ng konting IQ yan. Kasi yung dalawang yan, alam natin na athletic at kayang-kayang abutin yung mga ganong klaseng atake.
Castillo playing well off the bench. Estrelier over to Joe Panangin. Outside. 5-3 for San Beda here in set number 4. Larry Navarro had 7 points and 4 blocks in game number 2. Sends this one out. So now we have Panang Padilla at the service area. One of the best servers in the league, in the top 5. She's number 5. And she always serves it heavy. But a better pickup and response from Habacon. Hiponya. Back to Bachar, who went for the off-speed. That's good adjustment from Janelle.
Oh, parehas na play. Parehas na reads.
Yeah. 14 puntos na para kay Janelle Bachar. And now she'll proceed to the service line. Panangin with a faulty first ball. Running big by Bane will result to a point.
It's very rare na makita natin si Bane bumebuelo pero hindi para pumalo.
Mas pumuntos pa, no?
Oo, pumuntos pa. Placing lang ang puhunan.
Ulat yung San Beda doon. Judiel. Bachar from behind the line. Castillo. Nandun si Sari. Panangin will try again. Hiponya with the 1-2. Silva was alert. Panangin angles that one well. Bembe Bautista celebrating that point. Yan, si Santiago katabi niya. The men's team, at least some of the members are here to root for their counterparts in the women's division. Dahil na-eliminate po yesterday ang Letran Knights against Benilde. 6-all here in the 4th set. Joe Panangin. Castillo, yes! She continues to produce.
Pa-isa-isa lang, pa-pitik-pitik lang.
Grabe naman si China Castillo.
Lumusot lumusot sa pagitan ng dalawang blocker.
Siya yung unsung hero dito ng San Beda.
Hindi niyo lang napapansin pero key factor.
Yeah.
Etong si Castillo dito sa set number 3 para sa San Beda.
Estrelier to the back row. Too strong.
Akalain mo nga naman.
8-6 for San Beda here in the 4th set. Pagbalik po natin, may report. Si Bianca Tagarda, our courtside reporter. Don't go away.
Mga kapuso, semifinals na dito sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament at the San Andres Sports Complex. Dito for the Letran Knights, they may have lost the previous set, pero isa sa mga naging strengths nila on that one was their services, in which Coach Mayet tells the players na bigatan pa ang kanilang palo. Talking about services, I got to talk to the #1 server in the league na si Judiel Natura, at sabi niya nga sa akin, buong-buo ang kanyang loob to go pro, pero mas buo ang kanyang loob na manalo ang kanyang team in this season. Ika nga niya, aalis man ako o hindi, gusto ko mag-champion muna ang aming team. But in this game, Judiel continues to struggle, a rare sighting dahil ginagambala nakakapagpakilala siya ng kanyang mga errors. Pero hindi lang si Judiel ang kailangang kumalma, but the rest of her teammates to lessen the errors that could have brought them the win. Martin and Prince?
Thank you so much, Bianca. Judiel Nidura still unsure if she'll play her final year for Letran. As we see Gia Makilang, she is getting treated.
Oo. Kasi kanina sa set number 3, medyo umiika siya eh.
Shot on the left ankle na iniinda niya rin.
Medyo na-tweak ata niya kanina eh.
So, we hope everything's okay on Gia's side. Sana makabalik siya sa laban natin. But 8-all, 2 straight from Letran here in the 4th set. Joe Panangin making a difference. Angel, kinargahan. Vane, denied. Still in play though. Out of system for Judiel. Angel, sent back by Letran. 3 straight points by the Letran Lady Knights after the technical timeout.
But that was made possible by etong si Silva again.
Yeah.
Yung first ball na inangat niya na yon, na nakapagbigay sa kanila ng offense.
Sa tingin mo babagsak niyan? Tapos ang pwesto ng ano natin, ano yan? Kasi yung tamang cover! Gumagalaw na naman kayo ng kanya-kanya. Hindi tayo nananalo pag nagkakanya-kanya kayo. Bakit? Wala naman superstar sa inyo eh.
Cover muna, Jay!
Hoy, ang lakas ng isa! Lakas ng lahat! Ang depensa natin, yun ang puhunan natin. Bakit nawawala?
On-point message from Coach Kung Fu, because that has been their strength all season long, their togetherness. Okay, this is the run right now by Letran to take back the lead. Let's go back quickly to Bianca Tagarda with an injury update. Go ahead, Bianca.
Mga kapuso, quick update on Gia Makilang na panandali ang na-sideline sa laro na ito. As of now, she is being attended by their PT Patrick Marquez at according to him, pinupulikat daw ang kanyang left leg. But as per Mr. Patrick Marquez, she is okay and ready to play after a few minutes. So let's wait and see if Gia will be able to go back on court. Martin and Prince?
If you're a Letran fan and an NCAA volleyball fan, that's great to hear. It's not on the ankle or the knee. As we see this booming hit from Vanessa Sari down the line for this kill. And Letran is now ahead by 2. Kat Molina is back on the floor.
Yung palo na yun ni Bane, statement yun eh. Statement na offense yun eh.
At kinailangan din niya yun, you know, for her confidence. Woohoo! Molina, pero sinagot ng Letran. Angel of speed. Vane! Masyado mababa. Para kay Junyega. 11-8. Letran surges ahead in set 4. For Sanbeda, you cannot keep this going. Yeah, that touch on Letran. That's one way to stop the run. But damage has already been dealt as we see Father Vic Calvo Jr. OP. Mancom rep of Letran and the man in charge in our volleyball competition this season. That was 5 straight from Letran before the error. Vanessa Sari. Kat Molina. Popped up by Silva. They go now to Judiel. Nandun si Espina. This is a deep return by Angel.
Medyo malalim eh. Medyo malalim yung pagkakaset dito. Kailangan niya rin isipin itong ating antena, no?
Yeah. 12-9.
They have to get back to this game if they still want to extend into 5 sets.
Jay Desar to start. Espina choosing Habakon. Oh, what a save by Panangin. Angle. Molina went back to San Beda's side. Letran's wall generating the point. Look at the production from Laramie Silva. 35 excellent digs, along with 10 excellent receptions. A double-double by our reigning and two-time best libero in the NCAA in a closeout game.
Oo, parang sabi niya, challenge accepted eh. Ako nang bahala, kukunin ko lahat yan.
Molina puts it down finally for San Beda.
Also Mark, one more thing to take note. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati ng set score. 35 and 10 na siya.
That's true.
Diba?
Marami pa siyang lalaroin dito.
Marami pa, mahaba. And she's back now.
That's Laramie for you. The vet, again, this is her final year in the NCAA alongside Natalie Estelier and LJ Isar. Sari, long. They're looking for the check. And they will challenge. Was there a block touch? Prince, this game has gone so long. Pero kakaunti ang challenge natin, ano?
Oo, kasi yung labanan natin ngayon, bigayan na ng todo eh. Kumbaga yung mga palo na binibigay nila, yung offense na binibigay nila, kumbaga statement sa bawat isa. So yung mga challenge natin dito very minimal kasi yung mga blocks na binibigay ng bawat teams natin, buo eh. Kumbaga, yung kamay nila lagpas na lagpas sa net, so chances are na makakuha sila ng mga dulo lang ng mga finger nila na makuha ng bola. Medyo mababa kasi it's either buong block or tatagos.
So, okay. 13 to 10.
Very stressful game.
Oh, yeah. As expected in a game 3. No touch. So, that's an attack error. But necessary. Lead is down to 2.
Gusto ko lang idagdag, Marts, dito sa game natin. Padagdag din ng padagdag yung mga fans natin. Kanina, saktuhan lang yung tao eh. Ngayon, parang mas lalong napuno.
Tama. Yeah.
Diba? Habang nag-iinit yung laro natin, nakakadagdag din yung init
Energy.
na pinoprovide ng ating crowd.
And again, naririnig niyo po yung hiyawan sa San Andres. In this rivalry matchup, Janelle Bachar off her rest, delivers the goods. 15 puntos na para kay Bachar, overcoming a slow start today.
Kanina, itong si Panangin, sinalo yung palo ni Habakon. Pero sabi ni Bachar, ako naman, saluhin mo naman yung akin.
Tatlong sunod. Or no. Lead is down to 1 rather. Vanessa Sari. Yun yung hinahanap na nabawi. 14 to 12 for Letran.
Mabigat yung palo na yon.
14 puntos na para kay Sari. Short serve by Estrelier. Janelle Bachar. Nandun si Nat. Hold on. There will be a mid-rally review. There was a net touch. Apparently on the trunk side, so we'll check this one out.
So, bago nagkaroon ng challenge, Martin, nabanggit mo na 40 points itong si Bane, Yan yung nakalagay na puntos niya. Pero yung mga hindi nakikita na stats, isa si Bane dito sa game na to na sumakasalo ng halos lahat ng first ball. Dalawa sila ni Silva.
That's true.
So, bago pa sila makapag-set ng offense nila, sa kanya dumadaan.
Yeah, last time we checked, she already has 10 excellent receptions.
And that's
So,
big.
That's big.
For an attacker, ha?
Exactly. Pantay sila dyan ni Laramie Silva. Ito yung kine-question ng San Beda. Ooh! Downstairs.
Meron nga, oo.
So it's on Sari.
That was good eye.
Good eye. Yeah.
Good eye. Galing dito kay Coach Kung Fu and sa staff, syempre.
Quick reaction mula sa staff ng San Beda.
Isa rin yan sa mga, I think, okay na ano, no, rule dito sa volleyball natin. Ano, yung mid-rally, pag may nakita kayong mali, pwede mo i-challenge agad.
Yeah. Epoña. Estrelier, underhand setup for Judiel Nedura.
Etong si Judiel Marks, hinug na eh. Pwede na siya na umakyat dun sa next level.
Pwede na yan. Pwede
Oo.
na yan. And again, she made a big jump dyan sa laro niya this year.
Isa sa mga nakikita ko na medyo kaparehas ng laro. If not kaparehas, itong si Rondina.
Pwede. Ooh! And 16-13 in favor of the Ledran Lady Knights. Back after a few reminders. Welcome back to the coverage. And the finals will begin on April 5. This is Easter Sunday inside the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. So pareho po, game number 1 sa men's and women's divisions ng ating volleyball competition. Wala pa pong nakaset na schedule dahil bukas meron pa tayong game 3 to decide the other finalists in the men's division. Arellano contra Mapua. This will happen in EAC. Service error after the timeout to Sari. So there's still a slight opening here for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Mahaba pa.
Yeah.
Mahaba pa tong set number 4.
Harry Navarro. Push by Nitura. Pachar! Good reaction from Bane. Another chance for San Beda here. Panik sila kay Janelle. Shut down this time around. On the retake, Letran was ready for that Pachar attack. 17-14. Palang Padilla to serve. This is a chance ball. Judiel with a swipe out. It's now a 4-point lead for Letran.
And nararamdaman mo na, March, nararamdaman ko rin itong mga players natin sa Letran kung gaano sila ka high with energy. Ano, whenever they get a point or a good receive, a good dig, nagsi-celebrate sila.
Pachar will swing. 4-1 run by Letran, as you can see on your screens. This is on the line for Janelle. She has been trying. Finally, she got the breakthrough right here of a familiar cross-court hit. 15-18. Service error on Janelle Pachar.
Ooh, that's gonna be costly for San Beda.
Nerves starting to become a factor here in Game 3. Espina Molina. Hindi papayagang pumasok. Mamaya-maya na daw.
Na-re-entry na yon, so magbibigay lang tayo ng improper request lang ha, wala namang walang sanction. Yung delay, improper lang. Thank you po sabi kay Coach, improper.
Okay. 4-point advantage for Letran. The San Beda still have anything left in the tank. We'll find out. Judiel, the league's best server. Castillo on the windup. Nothing there. They go to Janelle from behind. And Batchar. Nakabawi si Batchar.
Actually, back-to-back ang puntos ni Batchar.
Double sub for Letran.
Eto na si Golendra. At alam naman natin kung anong dahilan sa tuwing pinapasok ito ni Coach Mayet, ano? It's either to stop a bleeding or to get a run.
16 serving 19. Castillo. Tumayaw. Tupanangin. Was there a check? Sabi may check daw. Re-review ni Coach Kung Fu. Badjo Panangin. Hindi na matutuloy ang ating challenge.
Inamin agad.
Inamin agad. Panangin scores that one. And Letran restores the 4-point advantage. Panangin with a pressure-packed serve. Campos. Habakon. Back to Angel. Oh, pancake save by Sari. Angel again. Bumalik. Batchar will try. Tumayaw. Tunisen. She gets the swipe out. It's a 5-point lead for the Lady Knights. Coach Kung Fu burning another timeout.
And that is one of the reasons kung bakit pinapasok itong si Golendra.
Pag wala nang di ba, nakatukod na yung dalawa eh. Pwede kayo mag-adli. Wala na kumukuha sa Jermaine. Bakit? Wala ka sa tamang pwesto. Kahit yung setter mo, dito ka sa likod. Hindi ka mahumingo na lang. Pwede na naman. Ladies, make teams happen. Walang gagawa niya kung di kayo. Okay? Walang nananalo ng 21. At wala din nananalo ng 16. Kailangan
Shaina Netura. One of the best, well, volleyball players in the country in attendance. That lady can willingly score 30 every game.
I mean, yung
if she wants to.
parehas lang eh. It runs in the blood.
Yeah.
Oo.
Three Netura siblings. Ayan.
Kumbaga, pag sinabi mo na yung apelido nila, oo nga.
Cyrus, Judiel, Shaina. May kapatid pa yan sa juniors ng Perpetual basketball.
Oh, meron din sa basketball. Yun naman, medyo ano naman yun. Medyo role player ang klase ng dating nun.
Meantime, 5-point lead for Letran. Panangin. But this is overshot by Tumayaw.
Pero muntik pa yun, ha? Medyo malapit yun sa guhit.
Ping de la Cruz checks in. Remember, she got the start. And now she returns after a long rest.
Haba pa.
Silva. Not the best first ball, but here's Nisen. Down the line. Cashed in by Golendra. 5 points off the bench. And Letran smells it already. 3 points away from a return to the finals.
Nalalapit na. Nararamdaman na nila.
Isar. Habakon, yes! Angel. Not the most explosive offensively for Angel.
Pero look at the respect Letran is giving Angel. Tatlo yung nilagay nila sa harapan ni Angel.
Kaya 7 na puntos pa lang po ngayon para kay Angel Habakon. Gracie Hiponya. Good serve. Here is Palang Padilla. On the quick. Letran is feeling it. Perfect setup from Tumayaw. And Padilla connects on the quick. 23-18. Pachar had to push. Perfectly placed by Janelle. I'll say it as early as now. San Beda cannot commit errors anymore. They gotta be flawless.
Yung ganito ka dikit na klase ng laban, kailangan ilaban na nila to.
Sari is denied. Estrelier moves to Nitura. Gracie to Bachar. Nandun si Panangin. Nitura. Kill block by Castillo.
San Beda is still in this game.
Two straight by the Lady Red Spikers. Look at this. Castillo rejects that Nitura attempt.
Right place at the right time.
You need to make a point. You gotta make it, right?
Ay! Dalawa!
Calma.
Ay! 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 Dalawa! Final tayo! At left! Very ball!
20-23. Scoring sequence. It's been close here in set number 4. San Beda with a couple of points to trim Letran's lead. Masusubukan ang Kapit Powers ng Lady Red Spikers. Oh! Good let go from Joe. Service error on Abacon. And it is. Hold on, there's a challenge before we announce. Wow. Big decision coming up. What a match. They've only played 4 sets. Again, game 1, game 2, both 4-setters. Will we have the same here? Finding out in a bit. This is the video in question.
And again, ito yung rivalry match to eh. So, sometimes you have to just expect the unexpected because anything can happen. Diba? Hanggat hindi natatapos yung mismong set, eh, baga pwede pa.
And now, officially, Letran is at match point. They have 4 points to play with. It's gonna start with Vanessa Sari. 1 point away from the finals. Good serve. Scramble from San Beda, but Bachar was able to make something out of that to keep San Beda alive.
And it's all gonna boil down to this service. If they want to keep it that way.
Erin Navarro, the graduating middle blocker.
The pressure is all yours.
That's a good serve. Here comes Letran. Judel for the win! And Letran returns to the finals for the 3rd straight season. It's a rematch between Benilde and Letran in season 101 women's volleyball. And our best player of the match is currently our best libero. Monster numbers on the non-scoring skills. 38 excellent digs and 13 excellent receptions for Laramie Silva.
In 4 sets.
In 4 sets.
In 4 sets.
Mega effort saving Letran a lot of opportunities. And you see the final score here. Letran winning this one in 4 sets. So all 3 games went to 4, 25-18, 25-19, 23-25, and 25-21. The Lady Knights set up a rematch with Benilde, a team they've lost against in the finals in the last